So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar USD. So first thing first, before we make a prediction, we need to know what the trend is. So if you take a look at this New Zealand dollar USD, the previous trend was a downtrend move. You can see it, right? The previous trend was literally trending to the downside, right? But now when you take a look at what market is doing, the market is now trending to the upside. This is our current trend. Our current trend since we are now in an uptrend move. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is our high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now this is the higher high. This is our higher low right here. So market push up and came back to retest it. So it's still an higher low right here. The market has retested this level. So from this level, we should expect market to reject and bounce up. So it is able to fully give us a new higher high, right? This is what we'll be expecting. We'll be expecting market to give us that full bullish move. So it is able to fully, completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. New Zealand dollar USD. Remember, it is New Zealand dollar USD. So we are in a bullish move, and we should be anticipating for a bullish move. I mean, that rules of trading, which says know your trend, second, trade with the trend. So we can say that our New Zealand dollar USD is an uptrend move. Now we will be anticipating for it to actually continue to push up. So if you are not yet in buy, look to go for the buy. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here. Now take a look at what market has done right here. Market did give us a double bottom. You can see this double bottom, a reversal pattern. You can see that it is a double bottom, which is a reversal pattern, right? Market eventually push up to break this neckline, this double bottom neckline, right? Now market has now pushed up. If market pulls back, right, market will most likely going to push up again to form a new high. So above all, a bullish move is what we'll be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.